So first I'm going to connect this sensor over here. Actually, I'm going to put it in my Arduino board over here, and then I'm going to have a register. This register, I'm going to put it here with one of the legs so that I can supply power to it. Now since I'm ready for power supply over here, I'm going to have my Arduino board over here, and then I'm going to connect voltage 5 over here, this one, to the register leg over here. So with this I'll be able to supply power to it, and after that I'm going to get another jumper wire. Then now basically to receive and work with the sensor, so this leg over here, this line over here, so I'm going to connect it to this A0, so which is this one over here, this hole. Okay, right, so we are ready, and I'm going to connect this jumper wire here, and then from here I'm going to connect with this ground pin over here so that we can complete the circuit. So with this, the circuit would be complete. And the next section that we are going to do is this one. So I have this LED over here, this LED, as you can see. So I'm going to put it in my Arduino board somewhere over here. And then here I took another register, as you can see, this register. This register, I'm going to connect it over here so that I can supply power to it. And I'm going to connect to pin 13 over here, this one. Okay, now to complete the circuit we need another jumper wire, and this jumper wire would be here, and then eventually we are going to connect it to the ground button over here, ground pin over here. Okay, now we are ready. Since we are ready, we are going to work with our, now here I'm going to connect my Arduino board with my computer and ID. So here I'm going to make sure that I'm well connected over here. As you can see, I'm connected and the port number is correct. And then over here, make sure that you set the baud rate to 9600, and make sure it's 9600 over here as well. And after that we are going to compile the code. So now I'm going to push the code, and the code is being uploaded, and uploading is done. Now I'm going to click on my serial monitor over here. All right, so over here I could also see the output from this, our light sensor. So this is our light sensor. Let's go ahead and check on this one. Okay, so when the sensor reads less than 420, actually we want to put it to low, so let's go ahead and do that. Otherwise we're going to put it to high. So let's compile the code, and then let's upload the code. Okay, right, so this time we do see that here the light is off. Now how about I put my hand on the sensor over here, and as you can see that it's dark. As it darks, so the light is on. So I remove my hand, the light is off. I put my hand, the light is on. Awesome. Now for some of you, this value for your light sensor, you need to find it. Okay, for what certain value that you want to find, and then you want to put the light off, otherwise you have to turn it on. So this value could be achieved through experiment. Anyway, if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you smash that like button. Thank you.